the match in 3, 2, 1. Alright, right off to start, we've got the Row Bros getting the cue, the Speedy Chinchillas getting another, both dropping into the goal. The Speedy Chinchillas are going for another cue. Speedy Chinchillas trying to score another cue, and they get it in for goal bonus. Looks like the Row Bros are going for a cue. As we get to 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. The Row Bros pushing the Reds off the post. That's 5 points each. If you get to 25, you must switch if you haven't. The Speedy Chinchillas are getting 4 cubes into the goal for those bonuses. Meanwhile, comes the Row Bros trying to push the Reds off the post. We get down to the last 15 seconds. We'll see if each make an attempt to park. The Row Bros going to the zone for a park. Speedy Chinchillas following close behind with 5 seconds left. 3 seconds and both teams get a park.